All right, so me 99 F350 is for sale. A little bit about it. I've owned it since about 150,000 miles. It's got the 7.3 liter diesel. It's a 6-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel drive. Some more information about it. It's got a DP tuner chip in it, and it's got gauges, boost gauge and exhaust temp gauge, as well as an upgraded exhaust. And yeah, so it's a 1-ton truck, crew cab, XLT model. I got a topper for it. It's gonna have some scratches. It's a $200,000 vehicle, or 200,000 mile vehicle. It's, got dings and dents on pretty much every panel. Yeah, it's an old truck. It's a work truck. I use it for hauling my Jeep around, which I just sold. Let's take a look at the back. Big 8-foot bed with a gooseneck hitch. It's got a red topper on it, 16-inch wheels. Tires have got a couple thousand miles left on them. They could probably use to be replaced before too long. Tinted windows. Aftermarket stereo in it. So just a cheap aftermarket. Comes with a Prodigy brake controller. Interior's clean. A few stains on the carpet. And brand new windshield on it. No cracks. Back seat. It's missing the trim for the power switch over there, although it still works. Still good on this side. But yeah, it's gonna have scratches on it. It's gonna have dings on it. It's gonna be, on the body wise, it's not the prettiest, but clean carpet. Sliding rear window. Sliding rear window on the topper as well. Let's see. The tow mirrors, the passenger side works. Electronically, the driver's side probably needs to be redone. Let's take a look under the hood. Freshly cleaned. Gotta pop the hood, hold on. There's the DP tuner. You can look at it if you want. It got 5 different settings on it. Everything from high idle, 80 horsepower increase econo, and then a couple higher ones. All right, so engine 7.3. It's got the aftermarket high flow international harvester air filter. It's clean. It's got 2 relatively fresh batteries in it. I don't know, when I bought them I could figure it out, but 16 on that guy. So he's about 4 years old. Doesn't get used a whole lot. It was my tow rig. The engine's clean. Take a look. Doesn't leak oil, doesn't eat oil. Runs strong. Starts first time every time, even in the winter. Out front here, it's got the plug in there for winter if you want to plug it in. I also use this guy since it sat most of the year, just to maintain the battery. It's a good truck, starts every time. Like I said, Prodigy brake controller, the DP tuner with a bunch of different tunes on it. Everything from I think number 1 is just increased fuel economy, 80 horsepower. Number 2 is high idle. Number 3 is 80, or number 3 is 60, and then 4 is 80, 5 is 80 econo, tow mode, and then 6 is basically roll coal on people. It doesn't really it gives you a ton of power, but it's a great way to blow up your motor. I never used it. I mostly sit it on 5, which is increased horsepower for towing, and it gives me more economy. I get about 21 miles a gallon on this thing.